Hey guys, it's Everyday Life and Money Matters, back with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we will be discussing self-publishing. Let's get into it. Are you thinking about starting the self-publishing journey? Or maybe you just want more information about what self-publishing actually is? Well, you checked into the right place. This video is just for you. Let's continue the discussion. So, what is self-publishing? Self-publishing is you producing material without a publishing house. In other words, you are responsible for your own work. I know you may be thinking that this sounds risky, but in reality, everything we do is a risk. You know what they say, no risk, no reward. So don't be bound by fear. It's time to bet on yourself. Make your dreams a reality. Here are some benefits of self-publishing. As a self-published author, you have full creative control, so that you get to determine the type of content you want to write about, your book design, and the categories your book will fall into. When doing any project, the cost is something you will always consider. But with self-publishing, there is little to no upfront cost. Would you believe? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And the reason why cost is low in self-publishing is because you as an author, you are in control of what you spend and how you spend it. For example, one self-published author may see the need to spend on an editor and another on a graphic designer or even on both. At the end of the day, as a self-published author, you get to decide what is important to you. On the other hand, some authors may choose to do it all for themselves. At the end of the day, any upfront cost will depend on your own decisions. Another cool feature of being a self-published author is that you get to determine the price of your book. Sometimes pricing can be extremely tricky, but at the end of the day, you as a self-publishing author are in control of deciding how much your book is worth. When I first started the self-publishing journey, I was amazed, literally amazed as to how quickly your book can be published. So once you have your final draft ready, your book can be published in less than a week. Yes, less than a week. And just like that, you can be self-published. Hope you are getting excited, because I am getting excited for you. Remember, your ability to self-publish is now at your fingertips. You got this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next up, we'll be looking at 10 self-publishing steps. You don't want to miss this. Thank you for listening to another video from Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos.